My video guide is about removing the adware that is called TerminalGenerate. TerminalGenerate is a special adware that attacks Mac computers only. This particular adware is the part of the adload malware family. Advertising supported software is designed to display adverts on visited sites and through other interfaces. In addition to decreasing browsing quality, these advertisements promote unreliable or even harmful websites and apps, scams, and malware. Some intrusive ads can even stealthily download and install software once clicked on. It has to be mentioned that any genuine content encountered through adware-delivered adverts is most likely promoted by scammers abusing its affiliate programs to acquire illegitimate commissions. This is exactly what TerminalGenerate adware does. It displays ads not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads are presented on top of other content, so you cannot really concentrate on things that are really important to you. And you are being permanently distracted by all these ads by TerminalGenerate popping out. So if you have discovered this adware to be the part of your Mac, check your Mac Finder, go to Applications, find this TerminalGenerate, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Sometimes the adware may have some other roots and there may be some other malware on your system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner is what we recommend, and premium license of Combo Cleaner is what you need to remove any other hidden malware from the system. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software, and this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. In my case it is in the premium license already, but initially the program is in the trial mode. Even the trial version has got certain free features like disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button, and then Combo Cleaner will begin researching and investigating your system. First of all, it may update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware from your computer. So then, after the scanning has been successfully accomplished, Combo Cleaner will give you the full summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license to remove all these threats altogether and automatically.